Now let's front inside knots. You also cannot see knots, right? It is very, very good.
Yes.
This system, all knots are very, very small. Even you can't see knots, right? The hairs is very small. Halle is coming this system. You can see it is very, very smooth.
Yes. The price is very, very good.
Yes.
Not risk 100.
Yeah. Really, right. Yes.
The price is super, super good. Not reach $100.
Yeah.
So if you want to know how much is it, please contact us.
Yeah.
We will give you a big discount.
Yes. We also ship it immediately. You can wear it before Christmas.
Yes. Very nature. And very good price.
Yeah.
How much we have? 20 pieces. Maybe 20 pieces.
Yeah.
So only 20 pieces. If you want, please contact us, or we will sold out, because the quality is super good. This quality with a super low price, so it is really hard.
Yeah. The density is medium.
Yes.
If you don't like more hairs, you can choose it.
Yes.
I think you will love it. The curl is very natural.
Yes. The price is incredible. It's very, very low.
Yeah.
Very, very good price. Christmas is coming. I hope all of us have a good looking.
Yeah.
So we show you some products, very good product, but with very low price, with very good price.
Yeah. The hair length is 50 centimeters.
Yes. Also, it is very strong.
Now in Halle has this system color is number 1B, 对吧? Yeah.
Yes, nature hair color.
Yeah.
Dark brown.
Yeah. We also have the color 2.
If with good care, it can last more than 1 year. If you could take care of it.
Yeah.
Because it is strong.
Yeah. I think you can wear it a long time.
Yes. With this incredible quality and
incredible price.
Yeah. Yes. Top quality with economical price.
Yeah.
It's incredible. Incredible.
Yeah.
Different, right? If you like this one, please take a screenshot.
Yeah, we can ship immediately.
Yes. So it's time to say goodbye.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye. If you like which system, you can contact us. We will contact you immediately. Bye.
Yes. Bye bye.